Uh-oh. Alright, we open this shit, see what's going on for us.
And you can double back. You can include the boxers, and because I remember I got the clips. I don't think I did YouTube, but I got the clips when you was talking to the manufacturer and you see fuck your shit.
Oh yeah, facts. Yeah, I can use that. Niggas ain't investing in these cell phones. What they doing? Invest in this shit. Invest in this shit. This thing paper. You got some paper over here. All the sizes on the back. Description on the sock. So they don't get no droopy socks. You get the right size for your feet.